Morning students, today's topic is UMTS. UMTS is a third generation technology which is based on circuit switch transmission and packet switch transmission. Okay, circuit switch transmission is what? Circuit switch transmission supports to the voice network. Okay, and this packet switch transmission supports to the data network. Okay, so if you want to access the data, so packet switch transmission is used, and if you want to access the voice calls, international local calls, so we use circuit switch transmission. Okay, so this is the UMTS architecture. It is based on the GSM architecture also. So there are three basic blocks of this architecture: user equipment, UTRAN and CN. UTRAN is what? UMTS terrestrial radio access network. It is the brain of this UMTS network. Okay, so user equipment consists of mobile equipment and USIM. When the mobile is inserted with a SIM, it becomes the user equipment. Okay, so this UTRAN consists of nodes and RNC circuit. Okay, this node is similar to the BTS in GSM system, and these are connected with the interfaces. Okay, different interfaces with each other, these three blocks. Okay, so this user equipment is connected with UU interface of UTRAN, and these nodes are connected with the RNC with the LUB interface. Okay, so this RNC is what? Radio network controller. Okay, this RNC is what? Radio network controller. So this radio network controller is connected with another RNC also. So this is the very new feature introduced in this UMTS technology, that RNC interface is connected with another RNC with the interface LUR. Okay, so this is the this whole block is called the brain of this UMTS, and this is the main important unit. Okay, which decides whether the call should be take place or whether the internet services should take place. Okay, so this is connected with these core network, that is CN, with these interfaces. Okay, so these interfaces are LUCS if you want to access the voice, so this LUCS is used, and if you want to access this internets, so you will use the LUPS interface, that is packet switch, because the data is in the form of packets only, so we use packet switching. Okay, so these are the modules. MSC is similar like in GSM, that is mobile switching center, and this is the gateway for mobile switching center. Now SGSN is what? Serving GPRS support node, and this is the gateway for this support node. Okay, so then if you want to access the calls, RNC will decide here that whether you have to establish a call or you want to access the data. So if you want to establish a call, so RNC will give connected to this module, and the call will be established through this PSTN, that is stands for public switch telephone network. Okay, so if you want to access the data, so the RNC will send the signal to this module. Okay, so the data will be accessed through LUPS interface and through these modules, and this is the PDN. Okay, that is public data network. Okay.